crying because I'm frustrated. And I'm just going to make this video to let out all of the anger and frustration that all the black women feel because I'm tired of it. There's this viral video of Jin J, from UK saying some shit about black women, and I'm here to let out the anger of shut the
weave, worth, and respect. The real conversation. Real talk. Real posts. Real problems. Real people. It's tea time, so grab your favorite cup of tea or whatever it is you like to drink and let's spill the tea and clean it up. Let's go. So what's up, visionaries? It's me, your girl Tonya, one half of TNL.J Relationship Coaching. I hope you all doing well as usual. So today we're going to talk about weave, worth, and respect. We're going to have a real conversation about the way the men are making the black women feel with all the talk about them having weave. If they don't have weave, they don't look good with their natural hair. They need to do this, they need to do that. So we're going to have a conversation. But without further ado, we're going to hop back into this video so I can play the full video so you can get the context of how women are really getting tired of all the talk that the men out here doing. Let's hop back into the video.
I'm crying because I'm frustrated. And I'm just going to make this video to let out all of the anger and frustration that all the black women feel because I'm tired of it. There's this viral video of Jin J, whatever from UK saying something about black women, and I'm here to let out the anger of shut the up. I want everyone to shut the up about black women. I'm so serious. I am just so I don't think you understand the weight this holds on black women. It's always something. Always something to be said about black women. Black women wear weave. You don't wear your weave. You wear weave because you don't like yourself. Oh my God, y'all don't want to be natural. Then when I wear my natural hair, and just because it's short and 4C, then I'm ugly as shit. Leave me alone! Leave us alone! That's it! If you don't want black women, go with the other ones! Stop talking to us! Stop talking about us! Shut the up! I'm so tired! It's always something from white people, then it's from black men, then it's from Africans. I'm tired! Shut the
Okay, so frustration at its best. You know what I'm saying? So be sure to write some things in the comment on how you feel about this whole situation. Do you think men are going too far talking about black women, us black women, the weave, our worth, and just throwing so much shade, even down to the single mothers? Be sure to leave a comment because it'll definitely help somebody. But black men, with that said, any man at that matter, you won't win. You won't win against a woman, so let that go. This has been sitting on my heart, and I'm like, for next tea time, I'm definitely going, play this video, because when I first seen it, I'm like, wow. I mean, it's really frustrating a lot of people, Me, myself, I could care less, but hey, everybody take things differently. All right, so especially when it comes to our black men talking down on black women because of black women wearing weaves, wigs, lashes, nails, or whatever else they don't like. So it's our prerogative, just like it's your prerogative. It's a lot of black men now wearing man weaves. It make an older man in his 70s look like he about 35. They even put it on their beard. So, I mean, you can't knock it because y'all definitely wear it. But here's the thing. When you constantly talk about what she wearing instead of who she is, don't you think you tearing down a very woman who gonna carry the community forward? And ladies, we do need to talk about how this affects us. Hey, again, like I said, ladies, put it in a drop a comment, drop a comment. Feel free to use this platform that I'm on right now to let the men know how you feel and how it's affecting you that these conversations are being had. All right, so hey, it's some history and culture behind this. So I want to make this point. Let's remember that hairstyles, wigs, and weaves, they not new. Everybody just keep looking at them like they new because black women wear them more frequently now, and now we, women, period, even white women wear weave. We just don't care how long it is anything anymore. They just let it hang to the floor. They don't care. It's like, when I was growing up, when I was in middle school, we would blend it in with our hair, it wouldn't be so long. But now it's just long to the point where it's weave. Nobody's trying to hide nothing. It's weave. All right, but if it's something that you don't like, you don't have to always have a conversation about it. Just don't go for that woman. Okay, but anyway, weaves has always been here from ancient Egypt to modern times. Women of all culture has, you know, indulged in wearing weaves. But somewhere along the line, black women became like the punchline for all this. And men, they'll say one thing like, we want a natural woman. But guess what? Like the woman said in the video, many times when she becomes natural, she told she's not professional, she's not polished enough, or not beautiful enough by the very same world that criticizes her for the weave. That's a double standard, and that's a double standard that hurts. So, men, recognize what you're doing here, because again, you can't win. You can't win against a woman. My point number two is that it's a deeper issue. Let's talk about the real issue. The deeper issue is not the hair, it's the lack of respect. When men reduce us women down to a hairstyle, it shows that they lost sight of who we are. Soul, her strength, and our spirit. Okay. Instead of asking why you wear weave or why does she wear weave, ask yourself, am I creating a safe space where she feel beautiful and accepted either way, whether she wear weave or not? Like I said, it's her prerogative. It's a women's prerogative. It's our right. If we want to wear weave, we can. I know, some of us have got husbands. And if you got a husband who might be like, I don't like that, can you take it out? Can you change it? That's one thing, you know. But it's another thing to just, hear these men just talking about women, So I'm not talking about this in a marriage frame because that's gonna be to each his own, That's something that y'all can work out. Okay. But one thing that women want most is not judgment, men. It's love, it's respect, and we want support. Women want support. I'm so super glad that God blessed me with a husband who lets me do my hair the way I want to do my hair. I'm so super glad of it. And he don't talk about other women's, black women hair or white women. He don't, So ladies, be hopeful because it is some men out there who still is not so judgmental and got that love, that respect, and who gonna support you regardless. Point three, men know that words build or break. The Bible says in Proverbs 18 and 21, the power of life and death is in the tongue. So when men constantly speak death over their women, calling them fake, shallow, or less than, it damages confidence. It also damages trust and it damages love. A lot of people think that life and death has to be like literally dead or literally alive. But as we all know, God spoke in parables. So don't think of it like that all the time, like literally dead is like walking dead. Life is a happy woman. Death is like a sad woman. Okay? So speak life into the women. Speak life. But when you speak life, you're going to say things like, you're beautiful. Period. Wig or no wig, weave or no weave, your worth is untouchable. That builds up our families and that builds up our future. Now, my final thought for this one as I clean this up, what you guys out there got to drink? I got coffee again, coffee. And I ain't on the screen today because I am getting ready for the prom. My husband and I are attending. Yes, my husband is taking me to a prom. So I'm very excited and can't wait for it. Gotta do my weave. My final thought is, men, if you say you want a virtuous woman, start by being a man of virtue yourself. Stop criticizing the surface and start protecting her soul. Okay? It ain't about no weave. It ain't about, her curly black hair, her 4C hair. Then now her hair nappy. Man, I kind of think you Tyrek. Something going on with you. You don't know what you want. You want a modern woman now, you want a traditional woman, but you like a modern woman thing. I mean, you just don't know. You all discombobulated. Men, get that together and stop teaching younger men or younger boys that it's okay to criticize a woman. And ladies, remember, you don't have to let anybody's negative words define your beauty. Your crown is yours, whether your hair is braided, whether it's pressed, twisted, natural, or laid and slayed. It's your hair. And at the end of the day, love ain't about hair. It's about heart. And our community can't heal if we keep cutting each other down with words. Words are very powerful. So, I got a challenge this week. Men, uplift a black woman in your life. Not for her looks, but for her character. Because we all know that's what matters. Character. It ain't money. It ain't looks. It ain't body. It ain't weave. It's character. Ladies, I want you to remind yourself daily that I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Say that daily. Look in the mirror and say, I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Because the narrative changes when we speak life. So let's do that. Speak life, positive atmospheres. Let's start creating positive, safe space, activity out here. It's enough. Negativity don't have to be taught. It's positive that got to be taught. So men, man up. Or should I say boys? Man up. Alright, and this has been another tea time. Be sure to like, comment, share. I'm open to any comments. Just remember that what I say is what I say and it's what I mean. And it's my opinion, and I'm entitled to my opinion just like you're entitled to yours. Alright, so this has been another tea time. Well, I'm gonna just sip my little tea, but I'll see you on the next one. Same time, same place. Until then, you already know because I just said it. But again, I'm going to just sip my little tea.